Lemon mustard chicken is a delicious oven-baked chicken recipe from Argentina. Although lemon and mustard is not a common flavor combination in the United States, using Argentine Savora mustard makes this chicken incredibly delicious. For the recipe, keep watching. So the first step in making lemon mustard chicken is the brine. For this chicken leg quarter, I did a normal brine, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of salt, and then I added the juice of 1 lemon. And for this one, I did something I used to do in the past. For this chicken leg quarter, the juice of 1 lemon along with a tablespoon of white vinegar and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And here in the baking dishes, I have butternut squash and potato and onion. So all I'm going to do is take the chicken out of the brine, shake it off, pat it down to dry it off. I think it's probably best to take this out of the brine and let it air dry a little bit, but I'm pressed for time today, so I'm going to do that. And then just simply put it into the pan. And now for the lemon mustard part of the chicken. I'm using Argentine mustard, a brand called Savora. This is incredibly delicious. It's both sweet and spicy at the same time, in the same way that pumpkin pie is sweet and has a lot of different spices but isn't hot, it isn't spicy. So I'm going to read some of the ingredients to you. I'm translating as I'm reading this. This has cinnamon, nutmeg, onion, cumin, clove, oregano, and a lot of other things. Bay leaf. This mustard is absolutely delicious. It's a lot more complex than American yellow mustard. So if you like mustard, especially if you like honey mustard and you want something that's more interesting, more flavorful, definitely try some Savora. I'm going to include a link to where you can get this. This is definitely worth buying. This is delicious. This will change your life. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do butter rub like an oven roasted chicken or a turkey for Thanksgiving. For this chicken, it's just under 2 pounds. We'll round up to 2 pounds. For 2 pounds, I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 clove of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of Savora mustard, the zest of 2 lemons, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. So I'm going to add in the spices, add in the mustard, and then the lemon zest. If you don't know how to zest a lemon, all you do is you take a cheese grater. There are zesters you can buy, but I always just use a cheese grater, and I rub the lemon over the cheese grater. Careful to avoid the white part because that is bitter. And then you have a great way to add lemon flavor to dishes, especially desserts. A lot of Argentine desserts call for lemon zest, just citrus in general. So when I start doing Argentine desserts, you will definitely be seeing me zesting lemons. I'm always buying a ton of lemons. That's why. Now I'm just going to take the butter and everything with my hands. I'm going to form a rub. Make sure the butter is softened when you do this. So here's my lemon mustard butter rub. I'm going to take it in my hands and rub it both on the skin of the chicken and underneath the skin. So this is kind of a dirty job, but it's going to make it very flavorful. Now that the lemon mustard butter rub is on the chicken and vegetables, I am going to take some foil, put it over the pan. I'm going to start cooking this at 350 degrees. So the chicken is done. It was covered at 350 for 1 hour, and then uncovered at 400 for 15 minutes, and then uncovered at 450 for half an hour. So an hour and 45 minutes total. Beautiful vegetables. Looks amazing. This lemon mustard chicken with Savora mustard was delicious. The chicken leg quarter that was in the brine, in this case 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, and the juice of 1 lemon was definitely juicier than the chicken leg quarter that was not brined. So if you make this recipe, don't forget to brine the chicken. My chicken was in the brine for about 12 hours. I would recommend 6 to 8 minimum, but no longer than 24. Like I said earlier, Savora mustard is much more complex than regular American yellow mustard. So if you want to try this recipe and really get a feel for what it's really supposed to taste like, I would recommend following the link below and buying a bottle. Argentines love to use Savora mustard because it's so delicious, so I can guarantee that you'll be seeing it again on this channel. Thanks for watching my lemon mustard chicken recipe video. If you liked it, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. For more information on this and other recipes, please visit my website parnellthechef.com. And don't forget to follow me on social media. Once again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.